But it's our last day. So, pupunta kami sa Ximending. Bagyo maulan lang. And si Mia, yung outfit. Mommy, fully covered.
Hi guys, this is Jessie Kids. Welcome to my channel, and I'm inviting you to see the view from my window.
Good morning, Taipei! We kick off our day in Ximending with one goal, to finally try the famous Lolo Scallion pancake. Fresh off the grill, golden crispy, and packed with flavor, it was the perfect start to our foodie adventure. Look at our Lolo, and guys, it's only 7:30 and look at the line. Even though there is like a little bit of a drizzle or it's raining a little bit, everybody came to see Lolo. Well, this is Mia lining up. Medyo mahaba-haba din. Okay, Tagalog na to. Medyo mahaba-haba din yung linya, pero not that much. Tapos yung iba pa nga, guys, nakita namin nakapajama lang. So talagang they just woke up and then they wanted to eat this scallion pancake. Actually, meron din sa kabilang side nagtitinda, medyo middle-aged men. Pero hindi yun talaga yung pinupuntahan. Actually, nagpa-practice na nga kami paano mag-order kay Lolo. Siyempre kasi, baka hindi niya ako maintindihan, tapos it would take time, tapos sasabihin niya, next! O, diba? Di na sayang pila namin. Hello. One cheese and bacon. One cheese, bacon, egg. 2 orders. Well, ayan siya guys. Nasa Starbucks building sa tapat ng 7-Eleven. And in front of that 7-Eleven is the GU or Uniqlo building. So ayan, dyan yung siya makikita. While supply last lang siya nagbibenta. Let's go. Let's go, Mia.
A few moments later.
Natin kung masasarapan si Mia, guys. Dito kami kumain kasi guys. Naulan at saka mainit. Very hot. You like it? Mm-hmm. Yummy nak. Mm-hmm. Show them. Wow! Kain tayo! This is for mommy. Spicy one. Yummy din. I tasted na. Kain tayo.
Few inches later.
Guys, this is the, what you call this? Dining area, waiting area. Breakfast buffet. Medyo naiba lang siya ng konti from yesterday, Mia, no? So for today, ito ang in-order namin kasi na-try na namin yung iba. Masyadong heavy. At saka kumain na kami ng scallion pancake. So, with onion rings yan kanina and egg for mommy. Oh, ayan yung egg mo na. Get mo na yung egg. Of course, coffee. Later.
A few moments later.
This ka kay mommy. Ay, ba't ayaw mo kumuha ng trolley? Ito yung trolley ko nga nagturo kay mommy
Later.
Yes guys, today mamimili kami ng something lang, mga crackers pasalubong sa Pinas dito sa Carrefour 24/7. Kagabi kasi guys, umuulan. So, dapat doon kami mag-grocery at impake ang mga bagahe. Kaya lang, naulan. At saka, we're so tired na nga kasi nga naligaw kami. 1 hour yung biyahe. Ayan, may mga ganyan. No? Nag-try din si Mia pero hindi siya nanalo guys. Sabi niya, it's a scam daw. Anyways, yun nga, going back to my story, kaya ngayon lang kami namili. Ayan yung mga mga small things yan na ganyan. Yung iba rin namang mga product available rin naman sa Pinas at saka sa Dubai eh. Tapos, ayun na nga guys. Tapos, makukuha nyo rin pala yung duty-free tax. Pero, kukompute nila tapos sasabihin niya sa inyo pumunta sa airport. Anyways, sabi namin, ngayon na lang kami mamimili. Tapos, tsaka kami ulit gagala dun sa Ximending, dun sa Rainbow Street. Basta mag-ikot-ikot kami doon. So, ngayon, sabi namin, we will just do groceries. Ayan, ang laki ng grocery nila. Ilang floors yan, guys. Tapos, parang yung check-out dun sa pinakataas. Tapos, bababa ka ulit to the ground. So, later, let's explore. By the way, guys, I learned, sa mga past travels ko, at saka na mas mura pa rin sa mga local grocery nila, yung mga snacks pasalubong kaysa sa mga sinasabi nila na
A
pasalubong
few
center.
moments later.
So, ayan, so that's my tip. Always buy from the local grocery. So, we will walk again to Ximending, guys. This is what it looks like in the morning.
Yun, diba? Yung rainbow. This is Ximending. Pag morning siya, guys. This red house. Let's go. Mia. I think it's a museum.
Yes, guys, this is what it looks like inside this red house now. It's like creative hub or something. Mia is finding stuff for her sister again to give. Nakita niya yung may mga pin dyan. Oh, sabi niya, she will buy those 3. This red brick house is one of the iconic landmarks in Ximending. In Japanese time, it served as a public market. Now it's a hub for creativity and cultural, something like that. Now we will go back to that Rainbow Street. First, look at this place, guys. It gives you Japanese vibes.
A few moments later. 12 seconds later. 20 minutes later.
Guys, we found this place, oh. Cute, diba? Parang, what you call this? Harry Potter vibe. Ayan, Taipei Cafe Nostalgic Souvenir Shop something. Well, actually guys, pagod na kami. We tried to line up sa mga restaurant, sobrang puno kasi it's lunchtime na dito sa Ximending. Tapos, gusto namin to sit down, yung mga restaurant talagang puno, yung mga sitting down restaurant. Otherwise, sa street kami kakain. Which is pagod na si Mia and we check out of the hotel na rin. Kaya wala na kami mapagtambayan. So, we said, we will just have a coffee here, chillax, ganyan. Para hintay, just to kill time. O, ayan. So, she wanted to taste this one. Hindi yata masyadong nagustuhan yan. O, ayan yung vibes dito. Parang with the books and all. It's okay. It's tiramisu yan. Pero pag kinuk mo...
A few moments later.
Well, at this time, we realized na we're running out of Wi-Fi. So, we better head to the airport. Kasi ganun din naman yun. Doon na lang kami magtambay. So, we finish our coffee and then, tipa lang. So, after here, guys, we head out to the hotel and pick up our luggage. So, now we're going to the airport.
Wow, ang cute of that. That's Pokemon.
Guys, ayan, we took
Uber to the airport kasi pagod na kami, guys. So she said, ano na lang, mag-Uber na lang kami yung aming last Taiwanese money. Yan, dollars. O, ayan, medyo malayo pero it's okay.
Yan guys, Mia is so tired. Sa loob kami ng cab. So, but me, I have to stay awake. Baka maligaw na naman kami, diba? Pero it's Uber. So, let's see. Yes! Finally, we are here at the airport. Ayan ang design ng airport nila. We're going via Terminal 2. Oh, yan. Let's see.
A few moments later.
Ayan, medyo nagutom kami guys. So, we'd head out to find the food court. And I forgot yung food court sa arrival. Mas maraming choices. Doon kami to umakyat sa taas. So, ayan. Ito yung in-order ni Mia. She loves the noodles now in Taiwan. So, ayan yung full set menu na yan. Ang cute, diba? Very aesthetic. Oh, let's see kung masarapan nga siya. Sarap ba? Wow! Parang gourmet. Si Mami,
This is sweet potato churros, guys. Churros, Taiwanese style. Guava iced tea and
A few moments later.
Golden, come on! Mias is checking in at Eva Air Hello Kitty. Go, go. Enter. Enter the dragon. Push the bag. Push the bag. Yes. See the ribbon. Ito pala yung staff. Yung bata-batuta na to. Let's see what's inside here. Wow. Ano to? Scan and join. Ah, passport. Wala. Ayan o. Cute, diba? Wala lang. Ayan yung Hello Kitty. I wish it's Hello Kitty, Mia. Look. Kuromi. Dito sila nagkakainan. Okay, tumayo ka dun sa Habanay Street. Yeah. Well, this is our mommy talk. Okay, this is a recap while waiting for our boarding on what we learned and from this trip in Taipei. Charot. So she said the people are disciplined here, organized, and even old people can still work. They have chance. Mia. Hindi kami winner kasi hindi namin sasakyan ang Hello Kitty. Yes guys, hindi nga namin masasakyan yung Hello Kitty plane because it's scheduled, so wala silang schedule for today. But we are still a winner because we got onto the flight. O diba? Standby mode. Ito na po kami. We already seated on our chair. Ang ganda ng chair nila. O, diba? Look at it. And Mia, hi Mia.
Please cooperate with us to place your
And
larger
so,
carry-on baggage
katerno
in the
ng
overhead compartment and put
katerno ng
small
damit ni Mommy.
baggage or personal belongings under the seat in front
Well,
of you.
ayan. Naka-uniform ako
May
guys.
we remind you
Alam nyo guys, yung safety video nila, ang ganda kasi very interesting, very kawaii, kaya nanood talaga kami ni Mia, tapos pinopromote yung kanilang mga tourist attraction doon. So talaga we pay attention to it. So ayan na nga pala kami, the flight is very short lang, and ano masasabi ko, ang ganda ng airplane nila. So guys, look at it. And, ano pa yun? And maganda rin yung seat na binigay sa amin. The staff took care of us. O, diba? Ang galing. But the flight was very, very fast. And also, I was amazed how also the cabin crew served the food very fast. And, ayan, yung ibang features ng airplane. So, ayan yung window nila. May push button over there.
Tapos, ano pa ba yung seat namin, comfy. Tapos parang, ayan o, yan yung kanilang headset. Eto, may pailaw pa dyan. Ayan yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, safety video nila. Ang ganda, so we pay attention and we watch talaga. Tapos, yung food nila, wait.
It's a chicken. Okay. Kaya mo, ha? Okay. Okay. So, sinabi niya benta.
And that's it, guys. The different videos on how we get to the metro, things like that will be
A
on another
few
vlog.
moments later.
And that's it. We landed in Manila. This is Terminal 1 actually. Yan. See you in the next travel vlog. Thank you guys for watching. And by the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you will know if I will have new upload. Follow me also in all my social medias and let's be friends. Later.